in this video we can see about the concepts of SOP and POS. So SOP stands for sum of products and POS stands for product of sum. SOP can be termed as Minterms. So a product term that contains variables in both complement and uncomplemented form. In case of 2-bit representation, A and B, we can represent it as 0001, 10 and 11. These are all the input combinations. And for 00, it is A bar, B bar. Okay. So 01 is A bar, B. 10 is A, B bar. 11 is A, B. Everything can be represented in terms of product. This is 3 variable representation. So it's start from 0 to 7. So for 0, it is 000, 001 till 111. So 000 is represented by A bar, B bar, C bar. 0 can be represented as the complement term, and if it is 1 means it is represented as the direct term. So it is A, B and C. So 0 means A bar. Again here 0 means B bar. This one that represents the C. So likewise we have to represent for all terms. Similarly for 4 variable it is A, B, C and D. So 0002 1111. It can be represented from M0 to M15. We call it as the canonical SOP. So the procedure to obtain the canonical SOP is, first we should identify the missing logic variable, then multiply with x plus x bar. Then if there are redundant minterms are there means we have to ignore a simple example. So this function of a comma b, that is equal to a plus b. So here in this a, the missing term is b variable. So we should multiply b plus b bar. Then here for in this b, the missing variable is a. So b into a plus a bar. Now we have to multiply the term ab and this ab come 2 times. So we should represent only once. Okay. So the symbol for the SOP is summation m. So this is the summation. For minterms, we should represent the small letter m. Example, here the summation m of 0, 3, 7 is given. So here the maximum value is 7 and minimum is 0. So it is a 3-bit representation. So it is represented by M0, M3 plus M7. Okay. So M0 from the table, we should represent it as A bar, B bar, C bar. M3 is A bar, B, C plus for M7 it is A, B, C. The same case for POS representation. So POS means product of sum. Okay. So what do you mean by a product of sum? Here everything is a sum variable. Okay. So A plus B plus C is one sum. A plus B plus C bar is one sum. A plus B bar C is one sum. Okay. So all the sum elements can be product together. Represented as max terms. The 00 can be represented as A plus B. And this is 01 is A plus B bar. Okay. So here it is A bar plus B. And this is A bar plus B bar. So the main difference between the SOP and POS in the representation is, so in that case the 0 can be represented as a complement term, but here it is represented as a direct term, and 1 can be represented as the complemented term. And in the previous case a product is come in between the variables, but here the sum is come. For 3 variables the same case. So it starts from 000 and it ends in 111. Okay. So 00 is represented as A plus B plus C. Okay. That is M0, capital letter M0. Similarly for all the variables we should write. Okay. So for 4 variables starts from 0000 and ends at 1111. So the max term starts from M0, M1, M2 till M15. Canonical POS can be obtained by, we should identify the missing logic variable, then add x bar. So in the previous case we product them, so product x plus x bar, but here it is we should add x bar. Okay. Then we should apply and expand the expression using the distributive property, which is a plus bc equal to a plus b into a plus c. And finally we have to ignore the repeated max terms. Okay. So consider this example. So a plus b bar into b plus c bar into a plus c. So here in this case the missing term is c. So we should add c into c bar, the missing variable c. So we should add c plus c bar. Here the missing variable a. So we should add plus a into a bar. Here the missing variable is b. So we should add b into b bar. Okay. So we have to expand it. Repeated max terms can be written only once. Okay. These are the product terms and the corresponding sum terms. Okay. So this is in terms of SOP and this is POS. Example. So canonical SOP, here the missing variable is B for this. So B plus B bar, here the missing variable is A. So A plus A bar, then you should multiply that. Then we know the concept that A plus A, that is equal to A. So when one variable comes more than once means we should represent only one time. And finally, this is a SOP. So AB means 1 1, AB bar means 1 0, A bar B bar means 0 0. In terms are represented M3, M2, M0. Okay, so summation of M 0, 2, 3. Example for a POS. So A plus B into A plus C. So here the missing variable is C. So plus C dot C bar. Here the missing variable is B. So B dot B bar. So same case, we should simplify this. So after simplifying this, we can get the corresponding term. So the corresponding max terms are represented. So thank you for watching the video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, it's goodbye from Vijay.